Hey guys, it's Alex back with another exciting video, and today I actually have a product from a company. This company is called 12 South. I reached out to them about this product called AirFly Pro, and it's a product that either adds Bluetooth to something that doesn't have it, so let's say like a car radio, or they advertise on their website like a boat if your boat radio doesn't have Bluetooth, or what's even more cool is it lets you connect to something with your headphones that you otherwise wouldn't be able to via Bluetooth. So let's say you're on the plane and you want to listen to the TV on the plane, but your headphones don't connect. You plug this device in, and then it should allow like your AirPods to be able to connect to the plane. So we're gonna open it up here, and 12 South, they're not sponsoring this video. They're not paying me to say any of this. They just sent it for free. They're not paying me, and then I'll likely send it back to them when I'm finished with this video. But I just wanted to give them kind of my thoughts and opinions, because like I said, I saw it and I'm like, oh, I gotta give that a try. And I'm gonna practice good knife safety here as I use my very dull unboxing knife, like that. Then we'll slide her open. Box can go off to the side. So that's it. That's really the device. It's like a little dongle, and that's kind of neat. It comes with like a little cap, so you can protect the headphone portion of it, the headphone jack. Let's see what else is in the box here. It says thank you, accessories below. That's quite nice that they give us a little case, because that is kind of a small thing to lose. And if you lose it, you're done. No bigger than AirPods, I guess, though. I mean, relatively same kind of volume it would take up. So they give us a little carrying case here. If I can open it up. Owner's guide. We'll read through that later, probably not. Charging cable, which is USB-C. Amazing. Yeah, the iPhone doesn't even have that. Wow. We got some instructions. So I'm gonna try turning these on really quick, and then I'll go and test them and see how they work. So I hold down the power button for 4 seconds. It's going to rapidly blink amber. There it is. Yep. Indicate that's in pairing mode. Hold the button on the bottom of my AirPods. It's flashing. Once the light on the AirFly Pro turns solid white, you are connected. And that's literally it. It took me, what, 10 seconds to do that? That's pretty nice, because sometimes Bluetooth devices can be pretty finicky. So I should be able to plug this into something that has a headphone jack and be able to listen to Bluetooth audio. So I'm actually going to give it a try on my TV behind the camera and see how that goes, because I'm not flying on any planes lately, so I'm going to plug it into the TV and we'll see how it sounds. Alright, so we got her all hooked up back behind the TV, and I think smartphone manufacturers just need to take note that even televisions still come with headphone jacks these days. I mean, come on, like, I get it if you're like hardwiring connecting to a speaker system, but like, it's kind of pitiful. But anyway, we're going to put in our AirPods here, and I'm going to show you this perspective. As I film that way, you can see the TV. I'm going to turn on one of my videos here, and we'll see how this works. It's working. It's actually working. It doesn't do like the automatic pause that the AirPods do, but I don't know if like you can hear that. This is pretty cool. This is really cool. All right, I'm going to pause it. That's really cool, actually, to be able to connect Bluetooth earbuds to the TV, and it was like seamless. It worked so great. I have another pair here, which I'm sure would work just fine. These are a lot more of a pain to pair than the AirPods, but like, you can connect anything to that little dongle, plug it in, and away you go. I think that's really cool. The other use case for this, like I was saying, is if something doesn't have Bluetooth, and I don't even think I have anything around here that doesn't have Bluetooth aside from like an audio recorder. We're gonna try that. All right, give me a second. Okay, so I guess that I can't just connect. So my initial thought was to take the Zoom recorder, plug this into the Zoom recorder, and see if I can connect my AirPods to this, talk through the microphone, and see if it'll transmit and record onto here. But I guess it doesn't work that way, because they're headphones. They're designed for like output more than input. So this, I switched it over and I have to put it back into pairing mode. And it looks like it's searching for a device now. So if I go in to my phone settings here, I go into settings and then wait for it, it does pop up as AirFly Pro. There we go. I had to toggle my Bluetooth off and then back on, and now it seems to be connected. So I should be able to play something into the recorder here. I'm gonna go into my voice memos and I'm gonna record something. The AirFly Pro is a pretty cool device, and I would honestly recommend it if somebody has a variety of audio devices as well as Bluetooth speakers and headphones and radios, and they like to listen to music. It could be something worth their while. So now I'm going to plug this in, external in, going to hit record. Seems to be working. So I have feedback coming in on the Zoom recorder. It's recording. My phone is playing via Bluetooth, and yeah, seems to be working. So we'll take a listen. I'm going to swap this back over to the receiver mode or the transmitter mode. All right, so I'm gonna plug my headphones back in. Oh, got it after like 10 minutes. I couldn't get my AirPods to connect back up, so I had to basically like reset this to forget everything, go back into pairing mode, and then restart the process over. So that's Bluetooth technology for you. But I'm gonna play this back and see if it actually works, and then I'll play it back for you on camera if it did actually work. So I'm gonna plug it into line out, throw these on, and I hit play. The AirFly Pro is a pretty cool device, and I would honestly recommend it if somebody has a variety of audio devices as well as Bluetooth speakers and headphones and radios, and they like to listen to music. It could be something worth their while. It's not bad, right? It's pretty cool. I wouldn't say that it's dope tech like Marquez would say about certain things, but honestly, I think it's really cool. So this thing retails at a couple different places if you wanted to pick it up, and they also have several different versions. This is the Pro version of the AirFly. They make a variety of different headphone and Bluetooth transmitters and receivers, and it costs $55. You can actually buy it from Apple's website directly, or you can buy it straight off of 12 South's website for $45. So overall, not a bad bargain. If you found yourself with a little bit of extra money and you wanted to pair or complement your headphones and your speakers with something, or even just kind of a cool thing to put on like a Christmas list or in a stocking, you know, it's a pretty cool little device. Honestly, I would use it a lot more. I feel like if I had use for it, but like I say, it's like I kind of accepted the no headphone jack and the wireless world. So I haven't found myself to be in need of it, but if you do find yourself needing to plug in headphones or to record, or like you don't have a Bluetooth radio but you want to cast to it, this is a sweet device. I would honestly recommend it. So very cool. Thank you so much to 12 South for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. Appreciate the opportunity to review this, and yeah, great piece of tech. I recommend you go check it out. I'll leave links in the description below if you wanted to go buy one for yourself, but it's pretty cool. And that will about do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.